Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on our $1 million challenge. For anybody who's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%, and it's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us on the channel, on the challenge, and information about strategy, details are in the description below. In the previous video we did a stock update on ticker symbol MMAT and MMTLP. We also did a call on ticker symbol ATER, so Atarian, and congratulations to everybody who managed to get in on this outstanding stock. And I am aware that in the Discord a tremendous amount of profits were made, so again well done to everybody who managed to get in ticker symbol ATER. This is still a stock that we are currently watching very closely in the Discord, so if anybody would like to get advanced notification of such stocks, you can join us in the Discord for little as $9 a month. Details are in the description below. I'm still currently on vacation just for a few more days, and in today's video I'm going to be providing a quick update on ticker symbol MMAT. There has been an update from George, quick update, and I'm also going to be providing looking at 5 stocks in the energy sector with only buy ratings and 0 sell ratings, so stay tuned for an overview of 5 energy stocks. Let's now start with a quick update on ticker symbol MMAT. So for now, no additional news on the special dividend, no initial news on any announcement or potential deal, but there is a quick update here from George on social media, and he has updated us on developments with regard to MMAT. So if we look at the tweet in question here, what George has said is he's compared, he's provided an analogy with Twitter, and he said Twitter acquired more than 900 patents from IBM for $36 million, effectively ending a dispute between them. So before its IPO, Snapchat, ticker symbol SNAP, also acquired 149 patent families from IBM and Mobley for approximately $17 million. So I think what he's doing here is comparing the collection of patents that Metamaterials currently have with these big guns such as IBM and also Twitter and also Snapchat. So again, that's a bullish signal from George with regard to the long term. Let's have a look at his follow-up tweet here. He's also said the company is currently focused on R&D, so research and development, but this does not guarantee success, and I'm sure we're all aware of this. But building a great patent portfolio is a long-term strategy, and you don't see the value immediately in fact in the short term you have to potentially pay the price, but in the long term you are certainly protected. So he's provided a chart here on the tweet going back from 2011 to 2022, so a period of 11 years, and the number of patents there from a cumulative point of view has gone from 1 to 74. So again, I think all investors are aware of the number of these patents that the company have, and everybody who saw my previous video and all my other videos, you will know that I'm not actually bullish on Metamaterials as a stock in the short term. I think it is a long-term play, and I think the vast majority of investors, in fact not all investors, have been extremely disappointed with the way things have been going. But in terms of a long-term play, I still have confidence in terms of trusting George. From my point of view, the trust is still there until we get final news. So I know many people have lost trust in George, but I'm prepared to give him the benefit of the doubt. However, you know, going back to the previous video, there was a statement there saying the next piece of news on the special dividend is not going to be until the next coming month. So unfortunately now we don't have a final deadline or a specific date, so it's a case of let's wait and see. I'm going to now share with you 5 energy stocks, and all of these energy stocks have a 100% rating of either buy or hold. None of them have analyst rating of sell. So the first stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol MPC, also known as Marathon Petroleum. This is a stock that has been featured previously on the channel, so for more in-depth due diligence on Marathon Petroleum, please refer back to the previous video. But we're going to have a look at this stock again today in terms of one of the key 5 stocks in the energy sector to have absolutely tremendous momentum going forward right now. So We have 11 analysts that have looked at this. 10 of them have rated it as a buy, 1 have rated it as a hold, and 0 have rated it as a sell, and the overall consensus on this is buy. So the company itself, with its subsidiaries, is an integrated downstream energy company located in the US. It's got 2 segments. First segment is refining and marketing, and midstream. So this includes crude oil. It also includes other feedstocks, and it also has refineries in the Gulf Coast, Mid-Continent and West Coast regions of the United States. So I think what I'd now like to have a look at is the chart. So I'm going to share with you the chart for 6 months for ticker symbol MPC. So we can see over the previous 6 months, the stock is up a very healthy 65%. Close of play on the Friday, it was also up 2%, closing at $87.59. So approximately 6 months ago, this was trading close to the $60 mark. It's now $87.59. So going forward, I do expect this stock to hit in excess of $100 by the end of this year. Ticker symbol MPC. I'm going to share with you now the second stock. This stock is also known as ticker symbol CHK, Chesapeake Energy. So this has an analyst rating from 11 analysts, and the interesting thing about this stock is got a 100% buy rating, with all 11 analysts giving this a buy rating. So overall consensus on this is a buy. So in terms of the company, it's an independent exploration and production company engaged in the acquisition, exploration and development of properties in the areas of oil and gas, natural gas, gas liquids, underground reservoirs, and also all of this is in the United States. They currently hold significant interest in natural gas resource plays such as Marcellus Shale, also in the northern Appalachian Basin in Pennsylvania. Let's now have a look at the 6 month chart for the stock. So we can see on the screen here, over the previous 6 months, this stock is also very, very healthy, 47%. And close of play on the Friday, it was up in excess of 2.63%, closing at $93.60. So approximately 6 months ago, this was also trading close to $60, and right now we can see it certainly seems to be heading towards the $100 mark. So ticker symbol CHK. By the end of the year, I certainly think this has got great potential to go well in excess of $120. The next stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol MRO, also known as Marathon Oil. So this is a company that's also been featured previously on the channel. So this is an independent exploration and production company in the United States and also operating internationally. So it's engaged in the exploration, production and marketing of crude oil, as well as natural gas liquids, natural gas, and the production of and marketing of products manufactured from natural gas. So let's have a look at the 6 month chart for ticker symbol MRO. So we can see here over the previous 6 months, the stock is up in excess of 65%, closing at $26.57 on the Friday, just up in excess of 1.1%. We can see 6 months ago, this was trading just in excess of $16. So again, a very healthy long-term bullish momentum upwards. I do expect this to hit closer to the $50 mark by the end of the year, certainly if market conditions are positive. So ticker symbol MRO. The next stock I'm going to share with you is ticker symbol COP, also known as ConocoPhillips. This has been rated from 20 analysts, and from the 20 analysts, 16 have rated this as a buy, 4 have rated it as a hold, but none of them have rated it as a sell. So overall consensus rating is a buy. So let's have a quick look at the company profile. So this is a company that produces, transport, material and markets crude oil, bitumen, natural gas, liquefied natural gas, LNG, natural gas liquids worldwide. So it's primarily engaged in conventional and tight oil reservoirs, shale gas, heavy oil, and LNG, oil sands, as well as other production operations. So unlike one or two of the other companies, this is involved worldwide, including Asia, Europe, North America, as well as Australia. So let's have a look at the 6 month chart. So if we have a look at the 6 month chart, the stock is up in excess of 36% over the previous 6 months. Close of play on the Friday, it was just up in excess of 0.2%, but interestingly it's just closed in excess of $100. So currently trading $100.23. 6 months ago this was trading just in excess of $70. So certainly the momentum is very, very positive and upwards right now and bullish. So end of the year, I do expect ticker symbol COP to be well in excess of $125. And the final stock I'd like to finish off by looking at is ticker symbol VLO, also known as Valero Energy. This is a stock that has been rated by 10 analysts, and all 10 have rated this as a buy, and none of them have rated it as a sell. So overall consensus is buy. So in terms of quick company profile, this is a company that manufactures, markets and sells transportation fuels, petrochemical products in the United States, Canada, UK and Ireland. It also operates across 3 segments. These segments are refining, renewable diesel and ethanol. So it's a company that as of December 31st 2021, it owned 15 petroleum refineries with a combined throughput capacity of approximately 3.2 million barrels per day, as well as 12 ethanol plants. So let's have a look at the 6 months chart for VLO. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see that over the previous 6 months, the stock is up in excess of 36%. Close of play on the Friday was up in excess of 3.1%, closing at $103.94. So 6 months ago, this was trading just over in excess of $80. And right now, or by the end of the year, I certainly expect this stock to go well in excess of $135. So ticker symbol VLO. So if anybody would like to get advanced notification of additional stocks, such as 5 energy stocks with very, very strong buy ratings, as well as other stocks such as ATA that we called in the previous video and also called in our weekly watch list that did go up significantly and huge profits were made, you can join us on our Discord for as little as $9 a month. Details and information about joining are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.